Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by preparing what Google will ask for: your full name, a username, and a recovery phone or email. Open a modern browser, navigate to the Google account creation page, and click Create Account. This initiates the only supported flow. Enter your name and pick a username that follows Gmail rules because it becomes your address. Once done, set a strong password and confirm it. This prevents lockouts and explains why accuracy matters at the very beginning. Next, verify your identity to secure the account. Add the recovery phone or email and wait for the numeric code. Type it exactly. Provide your birth date and gender. Google uses these for age-appropriate settings and account recovery, so accuracy helps. Review the terms and privacy options, making choices about ad personalization and data sharing. This affects how Google tailors your experience. Once you finalize these settings, you create a profile and accept the terms to proceed to the new inbox. Finish by signing into your new Google account and opening Gmail to complete initial syncing of settings. Set up two-step verification now. Use text codes or, better, an authenticator app to prevent unauthorized access. This explains why extra steps matter. Add backup methods like a recovery email and printed backup codes so you can regain access later. If verification codes do not arrive, make sure your phone number is entered correctly. Check for carrier delays, and then request a voice call as a reliable phone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.